Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Let us start our ICT class. Okay, continue the 5th chapter. Next software is that Stellarium. Okay, in Stellarium, let us study how we can see the planets, stars, constellations, etc. Okay, do you see now? This is really the window of Stellarium. Here you can see the toolbar and the status bar. Okay, that is moving while we are moving the mouse. Do you see now two triangles are there that you can click and adjust the moving of the toolbars. Okay, now let us study location window. In location window, click here also children. From location window, let us adjust the location according to India. Okay, from India we need to look the places which we know. Okay, we want to look the places which we know children. Chennai, India, let us take. Okay, I take Chennai. Before that the place is Paris children, that is why the dark mode is here you seen before taking Chennai. Now look you, all of you, how is the atmosphere? Now I am recording this at 10 o'clock. Do you see it is 10 o'clock of our time, isn't it? Okay, where is the sun? Do you see? This is the sun. Okay, now the time is really you can see from daytime time window. Look here, 10:04, isn't it? 10:04 of 21/2001 1. Here year, month, date. Okay, let us change the time. Do you see now sun? Time, let us, I am going to make it as, do you see now where is at 8 o'clock our sun? Okay, it is in 9 o'clock. Now 10. Isn't it children? Do you understand? Okay, like this way we can adjust the date and time also. This is the use of date and time tool. That also in your textbook. Next one is that we need to watch the constellations. Constellations, which one there children? Look, this is the constellation lines. Okay, this is what name of the constellations. Next one, what is this? Constellation art. You know that what is constellation, isn't it children? Constellations you can see here. Okay, these are the constellations. Yes. Okay, do you see that? Let us hide the, what is this children? Atmosphere. If we hide the atmosphere, that is in a dark mode, we can't see that. Okay, look here. Now I am hiding the ground. You see that ground, isn't it? That I hide now. If we need it, we can activate that also. In that way we can see. Look here children, south, southeast, southwest, west, etc. From Chennai we are looking children now. Look here, earth, Chennai, isn't it? Okay, this earth is in Chennai. From Chennai how we are looking according to the atmosphere now you can see. Not exact Chennai, it is really as in the form of a software, you know that, isn't it? Okay, let us continue. You know that these are the constellations and arts, constellation arts, constellation lines, stars of the constellations you can see here. Okay, let us hide now also the ground. Okay children, look. These are the equatorial grid, etc. You can see here children. Okay, all the tools you can see here. Let us continue. Let us search. Do you see now little more as in the form of the stars, how it is shining? If it is in the atmosphere, if we on, how is the atmosphere? Now it is the daytime. Okay, if that is in, if we off that atmosphere icon, you can see that only the stars, how we can see them. Okay, let us watch that. Okay, let us search the Leo constellation. Search window. One search window. Leo constellation, that is set in your textbook. Leo. Only L-E-O. Leo. Search. I am giving search children. Okay, do you see now? This is Leo. Okay. Do you see now? Leo properly children? Leo is here children. Okay, now of that. Now do you see the stars in Leo? That is one of the activity from your textbook. Okay, Leo, where is Leo? And which are the stars in Leo constellation? Look here children. The first one said in your textbook is Regulus. Look here, Regulus. Okay, its specialities you can see, how it is revolving, etc. You can see here. Okay, in microseconds what is happening, its movements also you can see here. Mean zodiacal time, etc. Okay, that is moving really. Regulus is moving. Can you see here children? Okay, the next one what? That is in Denebola. Denebola where children? This is Denebola. Okay, look here. Denebola and its specialities you can see. The others we need to find out. Look here children. Chetan. Okay, this is one of the another star in Leo constellation. Next one is that Sosma. Sosma. All of you write it in the notebook. Look here the next one. Algebia. Okay, where is that? Its color also little different. Okay, the next one near the Algenubi. Algenubi. Okay, next one Rasalus. Rasalus. Okay, children, you prepare this in your notebook, isn't it? I think all of you understand that constellations last year also we studied, therefore I am this much only saying to you. Okay, the next what we need to study is children, we need to take finding the ecliptic line from this. For that we needs to take sky and viewing options of this window. Sky and viewing options. In that markings options we want to take children. From here ecliptics of date we want to mark. After that we needs to close this window. We need to close this window. Do you see now? One of the line came here. Okay, let us watch it. I am zoom out this. Now you have no earth here, that is why we can't understand. I have on that. Okay, do you see now? Atmosphere also I on and earth also I on. Atmosphere I am offing. Look here children. What is this? Do you see now? Ecliptic of date. Okay, today's ecliptical lines are ecliptical line. Do you see now? Actually, we are thinking that the sun is moving. Actually, what is happening? The earth is moving through this path. Okay, do you understand that? Sun is here, children. Look, where is sun? Sun is steady there. Okay, do you understand now? I think all of you understand. If we are changing the position, then you can't see the ecliptical line properly. Now you can see properly, isn't it? Okay, do you see now? Okay, children. Then if we need to change the language into Malayalam to view the constellations, we can change that also, children. How we need to do that? From the configuration window. From the configuration, which one is the configuration window? Configuration window. Okay, from the configuration window we need to take from the main. There is a, it is not moving. Here you can see, look here. Here you can see Malayalam and take it. Malayalam is here, children. Do you see now? Malayalam. Okay. Then close the window. Then I am making it in a day mode. Okay. To see that. Look here, children. Vyalam. Okay. Lekhubalu and Hercules. Kaivas Gauli. May I zoom it? Okay. If I am zooming that, ground needs to disappear. Okay, Hadrapadam. Do you see, children? Meenam, Kumbham, Dakshinameenam. Okay, Shilpi. Do you see now? Nakshatra. Okay. Next, Jalasarpam, Mesha, Srav, Vruttashtagam, Bhagam. Do you see Bhagam? Dakshinameenam is said. Then Indus, Mile. Then Dakshinamagudam, Kuraltalayan, Samandarigam, Peedham, Vrischigam. Vrischigam, do you see? Vrischigam, Vrigam, Thanu. Then Sarpadharan, Parija. You ask all this about your if there Garudan, if there is your grandmother or father. Okay. Ask to them, children. They know very well about this. Okay. And you see, all that is here, children. You understand about that. This much only about the stellarium you want to study this year, children. Okay, let us close it. Hi children, let us start our next software, Rasmol education. Then where is that, children? Rasmol GTK version we need to take. Rasmol. Okay, Rasmol GTK version. From there we need to open file. For you, from the user you can see school resources, standard and 9th. There you can see PDB folder, protein data bank. It is known as protein data bank. That needs to open to view the molecular structure of the different what, children? Different molecules like water, carbon dioxide, etc. Okay, here you can see the molecule of which one, children? Fluorine. Want to take that said in the textbook. Fluorine. I am opening. Do you see now? Now it is fluorine. Next we want to select display. It is wireframe first, you can see. After that backbone, nothing you can see. That is not sticks. Do you see now? Then what? Space fill. Do you see now, children? Next ball and stick. Ball and stick, if we rotate using our mouse, you can see this way. Okay, this is ball and stick model of the fluorine atom. Do you see, children? Next what we need? We want to find out the number of carbon atoms inside it. For that we need to open terminal from command prompt. Where is that? In which menu? View menu, command prompt, and we need to type there, select, click there properly, children. After that select carbon. Press the enter key. After that we need to make its color as yellow. CO yellow, color yellow. Simply type. Do you see now? All that are carbon atoms. That is why like this we all have a blue color. If I gave us color red, what will happen? Just look. Do you see now? The color become red. Okay, this way you can see the carbon atoms inside any molecule. Do you understand, children? Next let us open the next diamond and graphite. That is saying here, file, open, diamond, where, children? Diamond.pdb. Open it. Okay, here really that fluorine atom is there, therefore above there you can see that. Okay, next view. Let us close first. After that we can open it. Okay, education, Rasmol, critical version. Then file, open. From where we can open, children? User, school resources, where? School resources, standard 9th, PDB, open fluorine we opened. We need to open diamond. Open. Look here, children, diamond only now. Then ball and stick I am taking. Okay, hi, nice only, isn't it? Do you see now? First time how it is, and now how it is. Okay, look here, children. Good. Nice one, isn't it? Different views you can see here. Okay, let us view prompt and select carbon. Let us give a select carbon. Then that is selected, color yellow. Okay, look here, the color is now yellow. Yes, all these are the different forms of carbons, isn't it, children? Graphite, diamond, etc. All these are different form of carbon atoms. These are coming fully carbons. Next let us open view. If we open it, we can say take a print screen, etc. Here children, to open which one? Diamond we open. Now we can open graphite also through Rasmol GTK version. File, open, user, School resources, standard 9, PDB, graphite. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Then display. Backward, no, nothing is there. Sticks. Yes. Next is space fill. Do you see now, children? Display. Ribbons. No. Ball and stick. Okay, ball and stick. Yes, graph it in this way, you can see, children. Okay, its color also we can change if we need by giving you prompt this way. Okay, we can give the children. We have no time, children, that is why this much we can take today. Now our 5th chapter is also finished. Time means the video become very big, that is why, otherwise I will show you all the molecules, but we have no that much time to softwares today we studied. All of you please complete the notes and send it to me. This how many softwares we studied in this chapter, that is why this chapter is a lengthy one, children. Okay, bye.